Hello everyone, welcome to my very first episode to the series of scaling my agency from $0 to 10K per month. I'm going to try and do this over the course of 3 months. I'm currently in a 6-month sprint. This is my 3rd month upcoming. I really haven't had that motivation or discipline to kind of push myself forward, but hence why I took the camera out and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to do it. I'm going to set myself towards it. I'm going to hold myself accountable, which are pretty good as well, because these videos will actually make me kind of hold myself accountable and also at the same time show my journey on how I'm going to scale my agency from $0 to 10K per month within the 3 months as well. So if you guys are obviously looking to learn with me, or you guys have already an established kind of business in this area, I'm more than happy to hear feedback from every one of you guys as well along the journey as well. But yeah, this is for the people out there who are obviously wanting to create financial freedom, or simply just want to live a better life, or simply just want to own their own business and scale it. But yeah, I'll be happy to show my journey and at the same time go on a journey with you guys as well. So hope you guys like this series. First off, let me introduce myself. My name is Jaden and I am the owner of Joe Uplift Content Creation and Social Media Account Management Agency. Pretty much I have no big retainers at the moment, no clients at the moment, also no big cash reserves at the moment as well. I'm obviously just another person in this world that's trying to make it out as well, and pretty much just live a life that, you know, I want to live and be able to be my own boss, as well as also manage a good team as well. Because in reality, there's some people that like to obviously work that 9 to 5. They like to have, you know, some sort of instructions on how to move forward in the corporate world. But that definitely is not me, to say the least as well. But yeah, what this series mainly is about is just pretty much me diving into, you know, how I do my outreach, how I do my funneling as well, how I plan my agency, day-to-day routines as well. Pretty much also sneak in day in their lives as well. I do love the gym a lot as well, so that will be included in some of the series as well. But yeah, that's pretty much what this agency is about, and that's the stuff I'm going to dive in through this series as well. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. In this series, I'm also going to be pretty much pulling the curtains on the whole process while scaling this agency and on this journey as well. What that will include is pretty much me diving into, you know, how and I'm going to land my first client as well, and also at the same time how I'm going to build out, you know, strategies and roadmaps on how I'm going to scale the agency to also maintain the quality, as well as also, you know, provide personal development towards you guys as well, and also at the same time my marketing skills or the way that I budget things for like ads, for example, and all that type of stuff as well. Hopefully that makes sense. It is my first time kind of ever speaking to a camera, so bear with me guys. Also to say, if you are interested in how someone's going to scale their agency, such as myself, or you just like seeing someone who's on a journey to obviously hustle and reach those goals, then this series is definitely for you as well. Alright, let's talk about the strategy for the first month. So the first month, I'm going to be defining an offer in the first week. So that means that I'm narrowing down on what my niche is going to be, and at the same time, I'm going to be creating an irresistible offer. Mainly because there is quite a fair bit of people out there in this world that own an agency quite a fair bit as well. And at the same time, it is quite hard to make a name for yourself since there is a lot of agencies out there. So creating an irresistible offer that is a different kind of offer away from the pack, rather with the pack, is definitely something key to success in this scaling process as well. The other one I have here is building an online presence. So I'll be showing how I, you know, build my online presence through personal development, at the same time as showing my journey on how I scale this agency to 10K per month as well. And the third one is outreach as well. That's going to be in the 3rd week. So the 3rd week will be outreach. That will be how I, you know, acquire clients and stuff like that through cold calls or DMs or cold calling, or cold emails. I think I mentioned cold calls twice there. But yeah. And the other one, the 4th and last one for the 4th week, is first wins. So once I land that first client, hopefully within 3 weeks, I'll show you how I landed that client and what I learned during the journey as well. Now let's be completely real to ourselves. There will be along the journey obviously rejections, late nights as well, and at the same time I've written down here probably some mistakes that I make along the lines as well, as everything in the world doesn't go so smooth, and there's a saying, not everything goes your way, so there will be hiccups here and there, but it's pretty much just showing how I will get over those hiccups and how I will be able to adapt to those hiccups as well during this series as well, to say the least as well. So what you can do for me is pretty much hit that subscribe button, and also hit that like button as well as also share it around to family and friends who also want to join me on this journey as well. And at the same time, if you guys would like to give me feedback, tips or criticism as well, I'm more than happy to hear them out and obviously take them into account as well. So drop a comment if you have anything that I can improve on or anything like that as well. And yeah, hopefully if you guys are as well starting an agency from 0 to 10K per month, let me know, because I would love to cheer you guys on as well. I love supporting, and I'm all about supporting one another. But yeah, let's hopefully go from 0 to 10K per month within 3 months. Hope you guys like this series, guys.